Hey guys, it's Abby from Make Life Your Runway, and I'm here with my 2020 Project Pan finale. A lot of you guys followed me through the whole year. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. We launched this either at the end of 2019 or the very first month of 2020, and I've been doing updates throughout the year, so I'll have all that linked down below if you want to go back and watch some other videos, other updates. But we had 20 products. That was the goal for 2020, and we are at the conclusion of it, and I'm pretty excited to share this finale with you guys. I am going to do a 20 and 21 project pan that will be up on my channel here soon. I'm getting it up a little bit later, but you know, we're on no timeline really. I mean, it's only an annual thing that we're going to probably be posting end of January, early February. It's just things happen, okay? But if you're curious to see how we did, ooh, then just keep watching. Here we go. All right, guys, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for the love on my makeup that I finished in 2020. That's the last video I posted. Well, makeup basket, the last one before the makeup basket. And we went through 45 products, so if you're curious which kind or what the breakdown was, I'll have that link down below for you guys. But that was pretty exciting. So we're gonna save makeup for this year and do it all over. This was the third year that I had saved my makeup up, so that was fun. Cool to like go back and see how things have evolved over the years, how my editing's changed, my styles changed, all of that. I like this platform because it's like a time warp. But anyways, I'm Abby. If you're new here, my channel is mostly makeup, get ready with me's, project pans, weekly makeup baskets. Then there's other things sprinkled in, like there's vlogs. I just did Vlogmas for my third year. It's kind of a mixed bag, just sharing my life with you guys, with mostly a focus on makeup, but other things get sprinkled in. So subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you join this fun little community over here. We're definitely very positive and kind. You guys are always so sweet to each other in the comments. So I just love the space that we've created. So if you want to join, go for it. But I thought we would start with, first off, just seeing what's on my face real quick, because I always forget, even when I go back to edit, I'm like, what eyeshadow palette was that? So same if you watch the 20 and 20 makeup empties, I'm just rocking the Naked 3 by Urban Decay. I just did a light wash. I didn't have a ton of time doing my makeup this morning, but I just did Limit on the crease. Then I did Burnout on the lid, and then I just kind of buffed it all out with Strange, and then I deepened it up a little bit with Factory. So that is what's popping on my eyes today. I love this palette. It's been a while since I've used it, and I've been really enjoying my time with it. And what's on my lips is a favorite, the Too Faced Melted Matte in Queen Bee. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, my favorite, which also looks very similar to the one we used in that last video, which was Independent by Color the World. Very, very similar when it's applied. Okay, there's that. Done. We're moving on. Okay, one more thing, then we'll move on. I'm gonna do a 20 and 20 makeup favorites. I'm only gonna do 5 to 10 products because those videos overwhelm me watching them because it's just so much product information, but that is coming. Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna start this video with the products that I did not finish, but I'm getting rid of because I'm sick of looking at them. Okay, that's like a long title. All right, here's where we're at. There's only 2 of the 20, so that's not bad at all. The first one is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Luminous Primer Stick. I have had this in my collection for so long, and I've never used it because every time I use it, I don't love it, and then I think it's me, and I think that I'll be able to like it one day, and then I use it, and I remember I don't love it, and then the cycle continues. I only probably used it 5 times because every time I used it, I just didn't love it. I find it peels up under makeup. It just doesn't really do much for my skin. I don't like the way it feels on my face. I tried doing it on a no makeup day just to add like some brightness to my face, and it just sat on my skin all day. So anytime I touched my face, it would move. I just felt it sitting on there. I don't like this product, and I tried for a full year to use it more than I was, and I couldn't even get through it. So this is one that's gonna go in the trash because it's like 2 years old and I just can't with it anymore. Okay, and then the next item that goes into that category, it kind of hurts a little bit. This is the Nude Stick in Copper Foil. So this is a eye crayon, and I just can't, like, I cannot figure out how to make this type of product work in my routine, because by itself it's too creasy for me personally. So I always feel like I need to put eyeshadow over it, and a lot of times I'll try to put a color like in this color story, because I do wear a lot of warm colors like that. But even that, like, then I'm like, well, what's the point? I don't get it. Like, that's kind of how I feel about a lot of cream products, like cream blush or highlighter. Like, if you have to put a powder over it, then why are we even messing with it? That's just my personal preference. But I just can't make it work. I used it a little bit more than that Wet n Wild primer, but I just can't with it, and I'm tired of forcing it. I'm tired of looking at it and then feeling bad because I'm not using it. Like, it came in a BoxyCharm probably 2-3 years ago. Like, we're just gonna be done with that product. So those are the two that are just gonna move out of my collection. I couldn't make it work. I gave it 1 full year, and it wasn't it. Okay, it wasn't it. Okay, next category are products I didn't finish but I still really like, and we're just gonna keep them in the collection. Not gonna necessarily put them in a project pan, but I do still want to try to use them up and not waste them. So 5 products in that category. The first one up is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Freshware. My color is in 415. So here's what it looks like. And the real reason I struggled with this is because the color match wasn't right for a lot of the year. And it's also a little bit too matte for my dry skin. So it kind of looks a little cakey on me, so I usually have to mix it with something. And I kind of go in moods about mixing foundation. Sometimes I'm all about it, and sometimes I'm annoyed by it. But I'm definitely going to still use this and make it work. I just couldn't finish it in time of this project. And I'm not sure how much is in it. It's probably around the halfway point if I had to guess, but I really can't tell. So, or maybe it's a little lower. I don't know. But we're going to keep it. We're going to keep using it. You'll see it in weekly makeup baskets. I just didn't get it done for this project. All right. These two I've made a lot of progress on. This year I started a Makeup Basket Express, which you guys helped me name that. It's basically a makeup basket that I keep in my bathroom. It's just very few products, and it's for those days I literally only have 5 to 10 minutes to do my makeup. And so these products live in there, and they're going to go back and continue to live in there, but I pulled them out for this video. So the first one is the Beauty Pie 1 Powder Wonder. I really like this product, not this summer, but last summer. And then I kind of fell out of my path with this product. But when we had to start wearing masks, I really fell in love with this a lot because it's so nice to do a translucent powder, just brush kind of like a finishing powder, and it really helps the mask not eat your makeup. I had a mask on earlier today, and I think my makeup looks fine. So this is what's left in it. So I'm going to put a before on the screen, and you can see that I've really worked through this, and there's just like a little bit on the sides that I'm gonna try to see how much I can do with it, but we definitely hit pan. So project pan, we hit pan. So in that sense, it was definitely a success, but we didn't finish it 100%, but we're definitely keeping that in the collection and we'll continue to use it daily. The other product that I love keeping in that Makeup Basket Express, I just never knew how to wear this product until it went into that basket, and now I'm like, duh. So this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation Stick, and when I say I didn't know how to use it, I just kind of didn't see the point of a stick foundation when, I don't know, like, I just didn't know how I felt about it. But then when you're like in a hurry, literally swiping it on in 2 seconds is like best case scenario. But as you can see, I've made a ton of progress on it. Here's what we're looking like. So there's honestly not a lot left in it. And this color is Soft Ivory. I really love this product. I think it's great. I think it's great for those quick makeup days. I think the coverage is great. I think the finish is great. This color match is good for me. It's just a really nice product that's only, what, $5. So I like this and we're definitely gonna hold on to it. These other two products I love. I just still can't figure out how to make them work in my routine. I figured out one more so than the other, but the NYX Wonder Stick Highlight and Contour Stick, I do like this one. It's in Universal Taupe and it's nice, like, or it's just universal, sorry. It has a highlighter on one side, it has a contour on the other side. I haven't gotten a lot of use out of it, but I like it. I still want to learn how to incorporate it. So we're going to keep this in my collection and just figure out our journey, our life, how I can really just figure it out. Okay, and finally, Benefit What's Up. I love this one, and I kind of have figured out how to use this. The way that I love to use it, you can see I didn't use a whole lot this year, but the way that I like to use it is just take my finger and then just tap it over whatever highlight I have. I have the Juvia's Try Volume 3 highlighter on. I always say it's very similar to Cookie, but if you just tap this over, it just makes it pop just a little bit more regardless of what highlighter you have on, especially if you have like a more natural one. Popping this on top, it just takes it to that next level. So these are the 5 products I didn't finish, but I'm definitely going to keep it in my collection and we'll continue to see what happens. Alright, so the rest of the products are products that we have 100% finished up. Like, I'm so proud. Like, wow. Like I say every finale, like, it would be really nice to just like 100% finish a project, and I've done that like once or twice in my time of panning, but realistically I think the idea is to use the products you have, not waste your makeup, and educate yourself on how long products really last and how many uses you can get out of them. Wow, okay. But putting that aside, I'm so proud of myself for how much I finished. So we had 5, 6, 7 products that didn't get done, but the rest of the 20, here we are. So let's talk about them. We did discuss these in the 2020 makeup finale, makeup empties. So some of this is a repeat, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time talking about them, but you can go check out that video if you want more details about each product. So the first one are 2 products that we counted as one. The First Aid Beauty, this is the Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer Moisturizer, long name. We finished both of those. We finished the IT Cosmetics CC Plus. This one is in Fair. It is 100% used up. I really love this product. We used up the NYX This Is Everything Lip Oil. Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. This one is in Light Ivory. That seems to be my color in this line. We have the Flower In Your Prime Illuminating Primer. We used that. Catrice Prime and Fine Aqua Fresh Hydro Primer. Fresh It Up. Yeah, Fresh It Up. We finished this little guy. The Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. She's all gone. And then this is kind of a primer, kind of not. The L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion. This one is in Fair. I use this both as a primer and a liquid illuminator. I just kind of mix it up, or sometimes I'll mix it in foundation. That's pretty good, okay. And then we used up a few more, a couple more foundations. The Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. Beautiful packaging. This one is LC1. The Estee Lauder Double Wear Nude Cushion and Warm Vanilla 2W0. Kind of cool and different packaging. It's like a twist up airless pump type style, so whenever I finished it I had to like unwind it. I'm like, wait, is it done? The Mega Cushion Foundation by Wet n Wild Light Ivory is my color in this. And then a couple of setting sprays. The L'Oreal Lumi Shake and Glow Dew Mist. She's gone, she's gone. And then the Flower Seal the Deal Hydrating Setting Spray, Dewy Finish. So we finished up 13 of the 20 products. We're getting rid of 2 of the products, so that's 15 products moving out of my collection because of this project. And then that's 5 products that will go back in my collection to use, enjoy, and finish up one day. Woohoo! Look at us! I love it. Thank you guys so much again for being a part of the journey. Make sure you're subscribed so you can catch the intro of 2021. Pretty sure I'm doing 21 products for that. Well, I mean, we'll see, but I'm pretty sure. But anyways, that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully it inspires you to do some project panning and to use your collection. If not, that's fine. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. But I hope you guys all have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!